other styles like miles and shit. Like 60s funky rhymes with waves and crimes. Just sending junky rhythms right down your block. We beat to rap, what key beat to lock, but we beat to rap, what key beat to lock. We beat to rap, what key beat to lock, but we beat to rap, what key beat to lock. We beat to rap, what key beat to lock, but we beat to rap, what key.
I got my second win, pimp.
Beat to rap,
Evolve.
key beat to lock, but we beat to rap.
I got my second win. Sit with a BMA.
What key beat
Talk to a
beat to rap,
Warner Brothers. Fuck with a
beat to rap, what key beat
Talk to a
beat to rap, what key beat
Fuck with a heavyweight. A vet, not amateur. Suit it up, I push pies like Roman Castro. Shoot it up if I must. Take over shop, get out the car and walk. Sneak up on Butler and do a dome shot. Then I blend into the crowd. Hang with a bunch of hot heads, super hot and wild. Tell your best to stop asking about a play. Ain't quiet about a play. Can't fucking right now, later. I'm busy getting my paper and riding around in my scraper. Interacting, networking, and campaigning like Arnold Schwarzenegger. Like McCormick's, I'm seasoned. I run my real. Y'all eat your farm, hell no, nigga. I mean, we eat and working like Dino Lion and shooting. Checking my limit, one of these rappers don't win the money. Get it like that.
Cherry pop, talking about my cherry pop.